To sell put options on Moomoo, you first need to understand what a put option is. A put option is a contract that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to sell a specific stock at a predetermined price, known as the strike price, before a certain date, known as the expiration date. To start selling put options on Moomoo, open the app and navigate to the stock you want to sell put options on. Then click on the Trade button and select the Options tab. Here you will see a list of available put options with different strike prices and expiration dates. Choose the put option you want to sell by selecting the strike price and expiration date that best fit your investment goals. Keep in mind that selling put options involves taking on the obligation to buy the stock at the strike price if the buyer exercises the option. Once you have selected the put option, you will see the current market price, also known as the premium. This is the price at which you can sell the put option. The premium is the amount of money you will receive for selling the put option. When selling put options, it is essential to set a limit price, which is the minimum price at which you are willing to sell the put option. This helps you avoid selling the put option at an unfavorable price. After setting the limit price, you can submit the order to sell the put option. If the market price reaches your limit price, the order will be executed, and you will receive the premium. It is crucial to manage your risk when selling put options. One way to do this is by setting a stop-loss order, which automatically closes the position if the stock price falls below a certain level. Another important concept to understand is volatility. High volatility can result in higher premiums, making it more attractive to sell put options. However, it also increases the risk of the buyer exercising the option. To maximize your returns when selling put options on Moomoo, focus on stocks with low volatility and a high likelihood of staying above the strike price. It is also essential to monitor your positions closely and adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can effectively sell put options on Moomoo and potentially generate additional income from your investments. Always keep in mind that selling put options involves risk, and it is essential to thoroughly research and understand the terms before making any investment decisions.